So in this video, I'm going to be going over a DIY little paint booth solution. So I need to paint the beetle soon, and I've decided I built a paint booth before with skinny PVC pipe, and it mostly worked well. So this time I'm going to build another PVC pipe paint booth that goes in the garage. I'm going to go over how much it cost me. The paint booth is going to be 15 by 15 with a 7-foot ceiling, and I'm going to be using 1-inch PVC pipe because it looks like it'll be the most durable, like no hanging PVC. And then I'm going to hang like a painter's plastic over over all of it, and then throw some fans on it, things like that. So I'm going to show you, well, I guess I'll just go over what I know. So for 15 by 15, it will be a total of 36 5-foot PVC pipes, a total of 12 2-foot segments, and then a whole lot of couplers, T-shape, and like 90-degree, or I don't know what they're called, but they connect up to 3 points. I'm pretty sure this will cost about $100. I'll have the exact number shortly. But yeah, it's just, all I'm going to do is build the structure to hang plastic from, and then on one of the points, or one of the areas, I'm going to just hook up a box fan, put a filter, like hang up a couple filters in the plastic for it to, just tape them up, and that way when the fan's sucking up air, it's pulling in clean air. But that's the overall gist. I may not have explained it well, but you'll get the gist in the next clip coming up now. So, next day, and here's where we're at. I spent, I think the total number was like 126, and what I got was some pretty cheap 5-foot, well, they were 10-foot PVC pipe, very thin. I wasn't looking for something that would hold a lot. It just needs to hold the plastic sheeting. With that, got a whole bunch of things like this. Got a bunch of couplers, tees, and things like that. Now, I was lazy at the Home Depot, so the 2-footers there, I just paid for those, so they cost one 2-footer pre-cut with that thickness costs about as much as a 10-footer that I cut in half. So go figure. But anyway, let's get this assembled, I guess. Hooray! So, here's where we're at so far. 7 feet tall, give or take probably like an inch or so. So the next thing on the pallet or table or whatever for me to do is wrap it in this like painter's plastic. It's thin as hell, last I remembered. Let's find out because I bought a new one. And this was included in that estimate I said earlier of about 126 total. But whatever. Anyway, it's thin, it's light. So I'm going to use that to wrap this whole enclosure, if I recall, so it's 12 feet wide. We have 15 going each way, so it'll take more or less 2 long ass pieces stretched out to drape over the front. Well, actually, probably 2 long ass pieces to go from down here, up there, all the way across, then back down to the bottom. With that, they'll cover both the sides. And then I'll use smaller pieces to go from here on down. I ain't going 12 feet. They'll put, 12 feet, we'll put one piece somewhere. Oh wait, no, let me do math right. 12 feet will put me somewhere around here. You know, not too bad. I'll have to kind of make an opening. So what I'm going to do is probably over on this corner, I'm going to have a little box fan just right here. Go in here, tape the plastic around it to try and make a little bit of a seal. And then on the back portion, where I hang down plastic, I'm going to tape up 2 air filters. You know, those are cheap. It'll allow for air and the fumes and paint particles to be sucked out, so that way I can just keep painting, hopefully. I think that's everything, so I guess I will get back to work. So I'll stop here for now. Yeah, I'm gonna end up putting a paint booth here, or not the paint booth, the fan. It's not gonna be as sealed as I want. You know, I cut this thinking have a door, but then I kind of screwed up the cutting, and yeah, oh well. I'll improvise, but the materials are all still the same. You can probably think out the process a little better than I did. And if you do, well, good on you. So yeah, this is it. About 126 bucks. In the next video, you will see what it looked like, which should be tomorrow recording time, but when it gets put out there, who knows. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope it was useful. If you liked it, like, subscribe, all that fun jazz. Anyway, have a good day. Bye-bye.